Welcome to the Chinny's Menu, where she shares her cooking skills, motherhood, lifestyle, and above all, her faith in godliness. In all this, it does not matter whether you are married or single, you can enjoy all that she did. With the Chinny's Menu, you can learn more about her journey to godliness in her video. God is the message. Life without God is not complete.
So you all, I tried to do this week again. So I got this 3D wig. This is short bob wig. Okay, so this week I want to give it a try. This is actually, like I said, it's 3D. I've already gone to set it up, wash it. Okay, so I'm trying to see how it fits in my hair. Then after that I will, see how I'm going to cut it. Okay, so I decided, when I saw that everything is fine, I decided to cut it. I trim out the excess less, okay, because I am not yet perfect to trim it out from my hair, but I can say that I can trim it out before filling it in, putting it in my hair or whatever. So actually, yeah, this is how the cutting is, and I am so amazed that I got it right. So you guys saw in the other video that I used this guy here, so I'm gonna be using one of my brush, okay, to apply it right there, because I forgot to do that in my first time applying the wig. So I applied this here for it to dry. I give it time to dry. Then the moment that I saw that it has already dried, that was when I started the process of fixing it in my hair. So I applied it to make sure that it's invisible. Okay, so here I started playing with myself, making an intro before I started the video. So I have to moisturize my lips, sorry, not my mouth, before starting the main video. So when I finish, I start with my net. Okay, so I think the wig cap. So when I opened this wig cap, it was a miracle. I thought that it's like this because it's so thick or invisible. So I'm like, did I make mistake in purchasing, because I bought 40 pieces of it. Okay, then I figured out that is 2-in-1 inside, which means each one has 2 inside. Then I put it in my hair. I don't actually know if it's great, if it's good for wig or for anything, I don't know, but I can say with the one I have, I think it's fine. But if you know how to fix this wig, you already know if it's good or bad. Then I went ahead to cut my ear side, because I saw someone that cut ear side. So I cut it. Please pardon the noises you guys are hearing. My house is on the road. I don't know how to handle this situation. Then I went with my G2B gum. Look who we have here. So my baby was crying, and I said, okay, come and greet my audience, my friends, my family. Okay, because you all are my family. So yeah, I started doing it. I applied the gum, and when I finished, I saw that the gum has already dried, and I started trimming the excess excess wig cap. So of course you must trim the excess wig cap before any other thing. I already did all this process when I did my first video. Okay, I actually did mistake here. The wig cap, I don't know if I cut it wrong, or maybe it refused to stick, whatever. So I brought out the wig again, and I use gum to hold that side, and I bring the wig and put it on my head. Okay, so to see how it's gonna be like when I apply it. And fortunately or unfortunately, because English I will have some, but anyhow you understand that fortunately is my size. I put it very well. Then when I see that it's okay, there is no excess hairnet on it, then I have to use my Got2b to gum it, to stick it, so that it will be it will gum down there. then I applied it in the little amount in the way that I can. So when I finish, I allowed it to dry. This time around I did not bring all the whole equipment, all the whole what did they call it again, all the whole machine. I did not bring it, like hair dryer or whatever. I did not bring it, so I decided to let it dry natural. Okay, so when I see that it has already dried, then I started sticking it in the wig for it to stick. Then after applying it, I don't know what else to do. I decided to go with my headband to use it to pin it down so that the gum will stick finally. I actually like this hair because you know, 3D, you can part it any style of your choice. You can do it, play around with it. You can, you know, decide to leave it like this, or you decide to part it center, or you decide to part it invisible, or whichever way you want to part it is always there. You guys can see that this fits me so well, and I really love the outcome of it. Look at that, like guys, I'm so impressed and how it happened. Then I went ahead with my hot comb to push everything back. Okay, so using this hot comb now reminds me that this hair is so beautiful, it's so pretty. So I don't know how to do that, the rest of the things. I push them back and use brush to brush it, and that is all. I didn't do any other drama, like any makeup. No, I didn't do makeup. This video was just for this wig, and oh my god, I look so amazing. So I decided to give it a pattern to see how it's gonna look like. Okay, so yeah, after parting it, I see that it's looking so good. But whether you part it or you don't part it, the most important thing is that it looks so beautiful. Like, look at that, it looks so beautiful. Then when I saw that everything is okay, then I go ahead with my hair wax. Okay, so I also added the hair wax inside. Okay, but here I'm also using my hot comb on it, but I see that it's not relaxing. That was why I went with my hair wax. So if I don't apply hair wax, I don't know how it's going to be. So with the little knowledge that I have, but I can say that I like it without hair wax. Okay, I like the puffness, I like the way it is without the hair wax. Then after I applied the hair wax, I realized that I don't like it anymore. You guys may like it, but me, no. Okay, I don't like it with the hair wax. I like it without the hair wax, like the puffness, the way it is, okay, from the beginning. But I don't like it with this wax. I don't like it. So, and yeah, I went ahead to brush all of them because I applied hair wax in so many areas. Then after that, I straighten it, and yeah guys, that's basically all that I did. I didn't do so much. Okay, I also use my brush to brush it. I was amazed on how this hair comes out. Like guys, in as much as I love being natural, in as much as I love being me, but I can tell you, this is the best thing. Like, this wigs, the way it fits me is unmeasurable. Okay, so that's basically all. I love it. If you love it, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and also don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, for more videos like this, make sure you are following me both on my Facebook page and my Instagram and my TikTok. And of course, I'll continue to give you guys content. So here is the closure of the video. You see how beautiful it is. Oh yes, of course, without being told, I have already know that I look so pretty. Okay, so I look so pretty. And of course, in my next video, and I'll see you all. Bye guys.